how to use AI features in Chrome on Windows PC. Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. In today's age and every day, everybody wants to ride the AI bandwagon. Jumping on this trend, Google has released an experimental AI update that allows you to use some of the AI features. In this video, we are going to see how you can use AI features in Chrome on a Windows PC and discuss some of the most useful AI features. Let's get started. 1. Use AI features in Chrome on Windows PC. If you want to use AI features in Chrome on a Windows PC, you need to make sure that your browser is on version 1.2.1 or higher. To check that, you can open Chrome, click on the three dots and go to Settings, then select About Chrome. Upon going there, you will see an option to update if there is an update available. Once you have updated to the latest version, you can follow the steps mentioned below to enable experimental AI on your browser. Open Google Chrome by searching it out of the Start menu. Click on the three dots placed on the top right section of the window. Go to the Experimental AI tab. Then enable the Features toggle. If you get an option to relaunch your browser, so just do that. Once you open your browser, AI features should be enabled on your computer. Now, let us talk about some of the latest AI features of Google Chrome. 2. Google Lens on Google Chrome desktop. One of the coolest integration in my opinion is that of Google Lens and Chrome desktop. Now you can pretty easily search using an image with the help of Google Lens from your Windows or Mac OS computers. To use these features, select the Google Lens icon on the address bar. Then click or drag over anything you want to search. You can also access Google Lens by right-clicking or using the three-dot menu. After making your selection, you will see visual matches and results in the side panel. Alternatively, you can right-click and select Search with Google Lens. You can refine your search using multi-search by specifying details such as color or brand, or you can ask follow-up questions to explore a topic further. Depending on your inquiry, you may receive an AI overview response that gathers the most relevant information from across the web. 3. Write using Google Generative AI. Next, we have a feature that helps you write content. Using Gemini models, this tool assists you in starting a new piece or improving something you have already written. You can use it to sell furniture, write a restaurant review, or ask about a hotel reservation. The feature understands the web page you are on and suggests relevant content. For example, if I am a gardener writing a review for garden shears, it will pull out important details from the page to make my recommendation more helpful for other gardeners. You can follow this guide for details. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.